The Culling of Sharks in Western Australia, Assessment 3, Lisa Robinson-Mann. The culling of sharks in Western Australia is a government term used for the capturing and killing of sharks by use of baited drumlines. According to the Liberal Party government of Western Australia, who introduced the policy in 2014, the cull was intended to protect users of the marine environment from shark attacks as part of a broader project called the Shark Hazard Mitigation Strategy, introduced in 2013, after 5 fatal shark attacks over 10 months off the Western Australia coast. It has been a very controversial policy. International marine and ecological scientists have expressed strong opposition to the policy, and national public demonstrations to oppose the policy have attracted international attention. Before the use of drumlines in Australia, shark nets were used. These were effective with shark control but were capturing other marine life. Therefore, the Western Australia government removed them. By culling sharks, marine life will be greatly affected as sharks regulate the ocean by helping to keep fish stocks healthy, as they feed on unhealthy old fish. This helps to stop disease among fish populations. With fewer sharks in the ocean, species they prey on have increased in numbers, such as the cow-nosed rays. These species are wiping out other marine life. The decline of the great white sharks in the northwest Atlantic Ocean has had a dramatic effect on the coastal ecosystem. By removing too many sharks from the ecosystem, this can lead to a momental shift in the equilibrium between predators and prey all the way through the food chain, unsettling the marine balance not only be catastrophic to the ocean, but Earth as well. As sharks perform the role as the biggest predator for a healthy working ecosystem to work, it needs all marine life. With sharks slowly decreasing, marine life will get out of control as smaller fish will get overpopulated. Sharks are not only needed to keep the ecosystem balanced, but they're also needed for healthy coral reefs. Where there has been a decrease in sharks, there are many sharks in Australian waters that aren't endangered, but the northern river shark is considered endangered by the Albury Workshop, but not yet listed as endangered on the ICIUN list, as it's still considered as unknown. The spear-toothed shark is also endangered and is listed on the ICIUN list. Its population is unknown, but is believed to be quite small. The spear-toothed shark is mainly found in tidal waters and in estuaries, but in Australia has been found in Adelaide River, as well as the Magalia River. Like the river shark, its population is not known, but is believed to be small, and because of its small population, restricted range and habitat requirements, it is classed as critically endangered by the ICIUN. It's important to save the sharks, as with decreasing numbers in sharks from culling, the implications on the ecosystem and reefs has a big impact on marine life. The Department of Fishery have been trying to solve this issue by putting a stop to shark culling with trying to bring in tagging of sharks. The Australian government has agreed to fund the $1.7 million shark tagging program to assist with shark control measures. This has proven to be quite successful in other states of Australia as well as the world. By bringing in tagging and stopping the culling of sharks, the government is helping to save the Australian ecosystems and preserve marine life, as well as save sharks from decreasing altogether, helping to save the ecosystem and reefs in Australia and the world.